Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. This video is about fractions workbook. What is fractions workbook? It consists of all the basic concepts of fractions where the child can practice on themselves and understand better pictorially, visually, and also by practice they can do it. Before going into the fraction workbook, let's see the introduction of the fractions. It's a short introduction. So what is a fraction? When we divide the whole thing into equal parts, the parts are called fraction. For example, if you consider the first one, the circle, this whole has been divided into two equal parts and each part is called half or 1 by 2 also we can say. If you see the second one, the whole has been divided into three equal parts, the whole circle it is, and each part is 1 by 3 and the fraction of the shaded part is 1/3 or 1 by 3. Similarly, again the same whole divided into now 4 equal parts and each part is called 1/4 or 1 by 4 or it's known as quarter. For example, if we consider 3 by 4, here 3 is the numerator and the 4, the total number of parts, is known as denominator. Now let's get into a fraction workbook. This is the first worksheet. Here the given the whole has been divided into different parts and it has been colored, you can see, and we have considered here different shapes. It always need not be a circle. It can be any shape you can consider, but the parts have to be divided into equal parts. You have to write the fraction for the colored part. For example, if you consider this one, the third one, this rectangle is divided into three equal parts and the answer will be 1 by 3. So only the fraction you have to write it over here. If you observe this one, here the choice has been given. Here you have to circle the correct fraction for the colored part. Whatever the fraction has been given, for that you have to select the choice. This is the other form of worksheet. Here you can observe the fractions have been given, the complete whole divided into different parts and it has been colored. We are writing the fraction as well as we are writing it in the form of words also. This also will help the child to practice writing the fraction in words as well as in the fraction form also. Now, this is match the following. You have to match the colored part over here, the fraction, whatever has been given in words to that one, you have to match it. This is also fractions, the numeral fraction and the pictorial fraction. Matching this is matching the fraction. This worksheet is based on writing the fraction using the numerator and the denominator. You can observe here 8 as numerator and 16 as denominator. So you have to represent the fraction now. It is numerator by denominator. That means 8 by 16. If you come over here, 3 as denominator and 2 as numerator. So the child should know what is to be written first in the numerator and what should be written in the denominator. It is also a way of building the concept of fractions. This worksheet is coloring the fractions, given fractions. If you consider this example, 1 by 4, out of 4 parts, 1 part has to be colored. If you take 3 by 8, out of 8 parts, 3 parts have to be colored. This can be considered to be as an art activity also you can consider. Here, comparison of fractions. Looking at these figures, they can understand which fraction is more and which fraction is less. Means using less than, greater than or equal to symbols, they have to compare the given fractions over here. The same thing here, comparison of fractions, but here when the denominators are same, you can observe here in the complete worksheet all 6 6 4 4 3 by 6 4 by 6, you can observe all the denominators are same. That means greater numerator will be the greater fraction. So this worksheet also will definitely help you to compare the fractions. The same comparison of fractions here, you can see the numerators are same here now, 2 by 11 2 by 8. If you are considering here 12th one, 4 by 11 4 by 10. Here the hint is the greater denominator will be the smaller fraction. So this also you can give a try. Now ordering fractions, ascending order when the denominators are same. In the same manner, this worksheet is ordering fractions ascending order when the same numerators have been given. You can practice this also. And this is ordering fractions descending order when the denominators are same. This worksheet is ordering fractions descending order where the numerators are same. If you consider this example 6 by 10 b bit, 6 by 12, 6 by 8 and 6 by 9. Here all the numerators are same. But practicing this kind of worksheets in parts, concept wise when we are taking, all the children can connect themselves very easily to each concept. This is addition of fractions worksheet. Pictorially, they can visualize this one like 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So just we add the numerator 3 plus 2, 5 by 8. So 5 parts we have to share it over here. Children really enjoy loving doing this kind of worksheets and they can understand the concepts in a better way. Same like that, subtraction of fractions also they can practice. It's like fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions together, just only it is solving the problems without any pictorial one, this worksheet. Equivalent fractions pictorial representation, 2 by 2. So how much it is? 4 by 8. What is the pictorial representation of the equivalent fraction of 4 by 8? They can write it. Means 1/2, 1 by 2. Same, writing the equivalent fractions. Here you can observe, I have considered different shapes, circle, square, rectangle. Different shapes also can be considered. Need not be a circle all the time. This worksheet is based on equivalent fractions, like multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number and writing the equivalent fraction. For example, 1 by 4. So multiply numerator and denominator with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. Like that you can find the equivalent fraction for the remaining given fractions. This worksheet is about equivalent fraction itself, but here we are using the division method. A little bigger fraction if we consider, if we want to reduce it to the lowest terms, we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number and we will get the equivalent fraction of 45 by 50. The same manner you can do the remaining sums also. So these kind of worksheets will help the children to do it in a better way. Like we have considered one topic to be as fractions, complete topic, and in the subtopics we have taken and we have made a worksheets which can be art integrated like pictorially, visually. The children can color the things. They love to do this kind of work and they can connect much more better with the concepts. Learning happens in a better way. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you very much.